Press the start stop buttons 3 times, very quick. 1, 2, 3. Then give it a second. Car will turn on. Wait for it to go into diagnostic mode. Once you do that, over here, once in diagnostic mode, you'll press and hold the BC button and just keep an eye out there. And keep on holding it, and then you'll get the engine oil light reset, and then you can cycle through by pressing the BC button. And to do the reset on your car, it'll show reset possible. You'll press and hold, and that'll initiate, and then it should ask you again, and if it does ask you again, you'll press and hold again, and it'll do reset, and then you'll do it till it says reset complete.